What's up, everybody? My name is Nurys, and this is Accidental Beauty Blogger. Woo! All right, you guys know the drill. I'm here trying out new beauty products just for you so you don't have to. And of course, the ultimate must-have product will go in this bag at the end of this episode. I'm like really excited because this is a Kardashian-inspired look that I'm about to do today. I am ready. Don't you see me with my Kardashian flow right here? Oh my God, what's gonna happen? Hey, guys, this is Kim's line. Yes, I got the contour kit. One is a contour stick and the other one is a highlight. Let's do it. Guys, I gotta contour myself like a Kim Kardashian. So I need my hair like up or something. Yes. Just had to make sure I didn't have no hair down there because I'm out here. This is gonna be work. So it actually gives you two different types of tones. And I believe this one is better for me. So I'm gonna go with that one. Literally, I've never used any of Kim's products. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go down here. If you look at these tips, they're not round. They're really precise and sharp. They're like almond shape. And I really think that works when you're trying to get into like the nose area right here. My nose is gonna be so thin and cute after this. She kind of contours her lip a little bit. It is so light. I feel like it's going to be so easy to blend. So why did I do this? Because this is gonna give me definition right here in my forehead, in the cheekbones, and in the jawline. I'm gonna look snatched, okay? All right, let's go on to the highlights. So I'm gonna go up on here, right over here. Then you do it right in the nose. I don't know. This seems like something Kim would do. And then she goes under the eye. She also goes up here and down here. It's not sticky, it's not oily. And I'm gonna use this brush in order to like really smooth everything out. Now, there's a trick that Kim has. Everything has to be in 3. So you go boom, boom. All right, I learned that from Kim. Right, so 1, 3, 2, 3. I don't know how to count everybody. Okay, so then I'm gonna go with this side of the brush. Oh, this is great. This makes sense why she has 2 sides to this brush. Gotta go here a little bit because I put some highlight up in here. Ooh, Kylie Jenner Cosmetics. Now I get it. This is a Kardashian face off. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner in Autumn. Love it. Now, you're gonna get not only the matte lipstick, but you're also gonna get the lip liner because as you know, Kylie always lines her lips before she does a matte lipstick. Let's start it, let's do it. This to me is a very smooth product. The minute this touched my lips, it was ready to just glide through. And that's just the beginning, Kylie, stop. Oh my God, I'm gonna do the top lip. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Guys, I freaking lined the hell out of these lips. Now I'm ready for the magic. The matte liquid lipstick in Autumn. Love it. This is a super long-lasting matte liquid lipstick. I think this is a good fall color. Guys, I got Kylie Jenner lips. Kylie Jenner lips! Guys, I really think that the lipstick and the liner really gave me the complete look. I did overline, but I mean, this can't be like a Kylie thing without me overlining the lips. My lips look so ridiculous. All right, my friends, mis amigos, my families, the Kardashians, it is time to pick the ultimate must-have, and it is the contour kit from KKW. These products were so precise. The contour was amazing. It gave me definition. It was smooth on the skin. It was easy to blend with this brush. It was amazing for me. All right, guys, I'm putting it in the bag. I'm gonna put the brush. I'm gonna put the 2 sticks. Remember, it's always the highlight and the contour stick.
We actually have one other thing for you.
What? What is this? No! No! Stop it! Mama Jor is in the house. She is in here. What is her name again? I forgot. Kris Jenner, I'm paying respect to you. You are the queen. All right, guys, don't forget to shop the links down below. Subscribe to Yahoo Lifestyle. Nurys Kardashian is out. Bye. I would love to manage you. I get 10%.